Today's learning goal is I can count. Hi everyone. So this week we've been practicing a lot of counting. This is the word count, which is the k. I've been counting in order. I've been going 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All the way up to 50 is what I really want you to practice right now. And today we're going to talk about how we count and follow the numbers even if they're out of order or there's different numbers around. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. You can do both, that would be great. But if you can just do one, that's fine. So one way, either print or I have a website linked, is called a connect the dots or a dot to dot too. And this one's already finished. Someone already finished it in my book. You start with 1 and you find the 2, and then you find the 3 and the 4 and the 5 and the 6 and 7 and the 8, 9, 10, and you draw a line in order for all the numbers. This one goes all the way up to 50. And I made a picture, I made a bunny. The other kind I'm going to show you is called number maze. And that one has lots of numbers mixed up. And you need to find the path for the numbers in order. And I'm going to show that with a computer screen. Oh, that one you can also print. And the challenge is to make your own number maze. I'm going to show you how to do that, but that's pretty tricky. So if you want to do that, that's really a challenge. If you're feeling like today, I really want to work hard with my numbers, okay? Let's go have a look. Now we're going to do a dot to dot online. So I'm going to hit play now, and it says drag lines between the points. So I start with 1, I go the next number, 2, then 3, 4, what's next? 5, 6, 7, I'm just doing as I count, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Be careful, those dots are side by side. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And in a dot to dot, you finish it. So 1 doesn't come after 20, but you go to 1 anyways to finish the picture. Hope! And it's a rabbit. If you want the next puzzle, you click here for the next puzzle. And now there's a new animal for you to discover. Here we have a number maze. It says, let's go to the playground. Put your car on start. We're not going to use a car. We're going to use our pencils. Count by ones. Go from 1 to 40. Draw a line to show your path. So this number maze, I'm starting here. I need to find the number 1 touching nearby. So 9, no. 8, no. 7, no. 4. Oh, there's 1. So I draw a line to 1. And I'm going to draw a circle around it. What's the next number? Is it 2 or 4? It's 2. 1, 2. Do you see what comes next? It's not 11. I have to go, oh, here's 3 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like a maze that keeps changing the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 6. And then it's 7. And I'm going to do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is next. I'm not going to keep going. It goes all the way to 40. I'm going to leave this for you to do. Now this one's called Find Your Way. And now you don't need to have this paper. You could just do this on a blank paper if you'd like. And the idea is to make a number maze for someone else to follow. So I'm going to start it right here. I'm going to put a nice star for starting. And then I'm going to make my maze. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then go down 5, 6. And then go this way now, so I'm going to trick them. 7, 8, 9,
And then I'll put a star for where they need to finish. But this number maze is pretty easy because you can see the numbers. Now you need to put different numbers in and around. So I'm going to put, well, 1 here and a 2 and 3. So it might take some thinking. I'll put a 10 here. To try and make your number maze tricky for someone who's going to do it. So I'm trying to make sure I'm putting numbers in that aren't the right ones beside it. So there's a little bit of thinking. You got to think about that for a little bit to make sure you don't do that. And now I have a number maze that someone else could follow. We'll just double check and see here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The end. I've made my own. That's a challenge today. You do not have to do that, but it's a great challenge if you want to try it out. Your job today is to do a dot to dot, a connect the dots, or a number maze, or hopefully you do both. Enjoy your math.